night, good afternoon. You know this road we're on here. Where we're off to. Oh, look at the old Volkswagen. We got Christine with me. Let's go see what the boys are up to. Triple flip action. Boys are here, pumping tyres up. Getting ready to fly.
Oh, boy. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we're down at the ramps. Boys are practicing on the airbag. There's a bit of music going on around here, so I had to go blank on a few of the clips. But anyway, just let them roll. Harley just got a triple flip around, as you would have seen. Ryan's got a triple flip around, and Gecko hasn't got one yet. He's done a couple of doubles. And J2, with J2 we can always do a triple backflip anyway. He's done heaps of them. Probably can't even count how many J2 he's done. But he's here for the support anyway, to help Ryan and Gecko and Harley. So hopefully they get something happening. We'll see. They're going for another jump now. Yeah. Oh. Yep. Ooh. Nice. Rolled away.
Yeah, Harley.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. Come on, Gek. He just threw his first triple around. Not his first. He's been practicing a few. But the landing's coming up. Oh mate, he's getting some drone shots.
That's all happening.
That's it. Action on.
Three.
Here you come now.
Oh wow, chilling.
Easy. With a bat on it. Jay just got smacked on the shins. Lucky he's padded up.
Fucking felt. That literally felt like I didn't have pads on.
Oh, that hard. Holy fuck. Imagine if you didn't. Holy shit.
I wouldn't be right.
Nah.
Crying.
You alright? Hey!
Yo.
Oh, he's alright. You alright? He's scared us then. He's a bit stuck. Bike's backwards. All good?
Yeah. I've missed my pull.
Fuck.
That was scary.
That was a bit scary for all of us. Thanks.
Oh shit.
Ouch! You right? Fucking man of steel. Booyah! Come on, huh?
I can
Ah. Easy. They got some new bikes. Oh, it's looking good. And we're just looking here at all the world's firsts. Look at the shit that's going down here. Dong, dong, dong. You can pause it and slow it down if you want to look more. And what's going to happen today? We'll see. Yep. All good. One set. You got it, Mark. You got it. Whoa.
Ah. Oh, yeah. But it keeps hitting me. I landed them, but I just went like that. I don't think my leg. I don't know what my legs are like.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You were Shanghai at X Games Shanghai. I did it in my run.
Yeah, this is pretty much like that. Yeah.
Something like that because I was like, fuck, I didn't know what to do, and I was just gonna do the same run.
I'm just trying to. You know how TJ11 does that?
Yeah.
I want to try to get that, but I can't. I need to be able to like throw it and.
Be forward.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, that was it.
Ah. Ryan's gonna try it too. RwillyLand's throwing his gat. And Jay, your legs are like this.
Are they?
Yep. That's good. Oh. Alright, Ryan's got it. Alright guys, action on. Boys are ready to ride. The ramp is set up. See behind me there. And Ryan's going to try a triple flip. Harley's going to try a triple flip. I'm pretty sure I said this once in my vlogs a long time ago. Especially about Harley. And today's the day for Harley. And Ryan. Ryan might even do a triple front flip. We don't know. But this thing's freaking massive, eh? So big. Alright, I think they're coming. Oh shit. Action on. We're all here watching, waiting. Someone's coming. 1, 2. Yeah. First try. Yeah, buddy. What do you reckon, Mum? Yeah, that's so good.
Good job.
Yeah. Oh, he just got it. The triple flip. You just seen the video. I think he hit his bum on the tyre. Yeah! Yeah, buddy. Yeah! You came, you conquered.
Good job.
It's got conch in the wheel on the bike. Get in the, yeah. It like really up.
No. Yeah, baby. Sick. Alright guys, that's the end of our adventure. Me and Christine are driving our way home. Back to the Sunshine Coast. Ryan did 2 triple backflips and Harley did 1 triple backflip. Harley was so stoked at the end, he nearly was crying. He was crying in happiness. It was pretty cool. Harley's been thinking about that trick for a long time, so has Ryan. So it was awesome for them to do it. Gecko was a bit tired, he got hurt a bit when he was trying the airbag, so he didn't really give it a go in the end. And J2E, like we said, he's done it before, so J2E was just mucking around. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that little episode at RwillyLand, and I'll talk to you tomorrow back in the concrete. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and all them comments on the last video. How much everyone gets paid. Oh my God, heaps of comments, awesome. I'm sure that's gonna help lots of people out. Oh, and I nearly crashed. Get off the fucking phone, like I'm on a dirt road. See you, Christine.